Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 10. Its title is A Land of Pure. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Oral Communication Skill, we are going to learn to use polite expressions to seek attention. Before this, we have learned how to respond to requests and commands. So we have learned that we can respond in different ways. I hope you remember, otherwise watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn to demonstrate common convention and dynamics of oral interactions in group, to use polite expressions to seek attention. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 104. O believers, do not say Raina, heard us, but say Unzurna, tend to us, and listen attentively. Yes, my dear children, better what this beautiful verse is telling us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is training the believers, the listeners who used to sit in front of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And better, Allah is correcting them for one word. When you are talking to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, don't say Raina. It's not that. It's not a word which match with the status of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Say unzurna. It's a better word. So beta, our religion teaches us even a single word. That's why we should be very careful. When we talk, we should use always good, rather better words, right? Raina means heard us, but unzurna means please tend to us, please. It's a better expression. So we should be, this is beautiful principle we are learning from Quran. So we should use better words, polite words, kind words, right? Now, my dear students, what are basic social courtesies? We have learned it many times, so what they are. And when do you seek someone's attention? So when you want someone to pay attention to you, pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students. So these are the basic social, our all good manners. Whenever we say something, we should use please, excuse me. To take permission, we say may I. When someone gives us favor, we say thank you. When someone says thank you to us, we say you are welcome. So beta, all good manners, which words we use to show our courtesy, our good manners. All these things are basic social courtesies, okay? And we seek someone's attention when we want that person to listen to us. Better, seek attention means you want someone to look at you and listen to you, right? So sometime if a person is around you and you want that person to talk to you, it means you seek that person's attention. So how do we seek it? We use different words. For example, we say, excuse me. Like you find out your teacher is talking to another teacher, maybe at break time, and you want to talk to your teacher. So what you will say? You'll say, excuse me, teacher. When the teacher turns towards you and she says, yes, my dear, then you can start. It's not like a person is talking to someone and you start saying, I need this, I need, no. So first you say, excuse me. When that person turns towards you and says, yes, my dear, what do you want? Then you should start talking, okay? And we can also use words like, please listen to me, kindly look at me, may I have your attention, or please, may I have your attention, please. So beta, these are the expressions and words we use to seek someone's attention. So when the person allows us, then we start our concern. So I want this, or maybe whatever you want to say. When the person, you seek attention and the person pays attention to you, then you talk. Understand? Okay. So let's practice it from your book. It's page number 83. Hello, do you have an extra pencil? Yes, I have. So we say Assalamu alaikum. Can I borrow your English book? Yes, you can. Excuse me, can you help me? Yes, what do you need? Hi, do you know what time is it? Yes, it's 12 o'clock now. This is how in conversation one person is seeking attention and the other person is paying attention. Do you understand? Okay, so let's practice it through an activity. These are all the examples from your book, and here is the activity. Come in front of the class and describe your favorite book in 5 simple sentences, and before doing this, you will seek your class attention. Pause the video, enjoy the activity. All of you do it and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. You will practice polite expressions to seek attention. Make a video of it and share it with your teacher. Here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So in this way, we learn to use polite expressions to seek attention, and we cover our SLO to demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in groups to use polite expressions to seek attention. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.